In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display section. Then scroll again, choose Motion Smoothness, and once you're ready, tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. When you're ready, make sure to tap on Apply button to save your changes. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!